What's going on, YouTube? Chris here. I want to bring you all an update of the altcoins. We're going to be looking at Ethereum, look at a few other altcoins, and then I look to get out a Litecoin video individually a little bit later, so look out for that. But guys, right now Ethereum $905. It absolutely erupted. We broke through 745. We broke through $840. So what we're going to need today is a candle close up above $840. If we're able to get that, I want to step back here so you can really see on the chart. We would look up to around $994. We'll call it $1,000 psychologically. And that's a big deal. Our all-time high before was at $1,400, so we're getting close. I mean, guys, this is our space, and this is why we're in this space. Ethereum up 17% right now. Some markets don't run that much in an entire year. So let's be thankful we're blessed to be in this market right now. And guys, obviously, if you're in long-term positions like we've talked about, just let them ride right now. Enjoy this. Excuse me, shorter term, you can just follow this beautiful price action up with a trailing stop loss if you're trading it or you're swing trading it. But long term, this is where we really just want to sit back and let this market do what it's going to do, even when we get those big retracements. Because for Ethereum, once we break through that all-time high, it's going to be price discovery, and that's when things are going to get extremely interesting. So pay attention to that. Right now on the one-day time frame, the RSI is at about 80. As we know, we can get up to around 90, so there still may be a little bit more room. We could go up there and test that $1,000 is what we'd be looking at. Overall, in terms of support, let's see if we can hold that 847 right in that range. So that's going to be Ethereum, $911, absolutely exploding right now. Let's take a look. Want to go to Bitcoin Cash next. It's made a nice move as well. Has above average volume. Main thing for Bitcoin Cash, we're sitting at $394. We're up 11.23%. Main thing we need to get up through is $400 psychologically. That's also a resistance level. If we can get a candle close up above that, we're going to look to 422, then be up to around that $500. And this is one that's been depressed, and we've talked about this, guys. Fundamentally and stuff, I'm not the biggest Bitcoin Cash guy, but I like trading Bitcoin Cash because it can be so explosive, the moves, and it has that small supply just like Bitcoin. So when money comes into it, these big institutions, which they are coming into Bitcoin Cash, it's one of the 10 or so that, like Grayscale's picking up. When that money comes in, it can rip so hard. You can be talking about, $200, $300, $400 sometimes in a single candle in a day, to the upside or the downside. So as we're looking at Bitcoin Cash right now, we're at 67 on the RSI. Stock, we're at 69 and 59, pointing up here. So if we can continue to get this move, we could probably go up there and challenge that $500 relatively quickly. In terms of support, we need to hold about $350 is going to be the area, and we want to see if this can continue throughout the day. We want nice, strong candle closes. We don't want this to just be some quick pump and then there's going to be a big dump. Something along the lines of this. You get that massive volume, and then right behind it, you get another big sell-off. So be aware of that, but this is what we're looking for. We're up above our 20, our 50, our 100, and our 200 moving average. Bitcoin Cash has been $4,000 before. Guys, definitely could go back up in that range of 4 digits down the road. So that's what I'm saying. I really like to trade Bitcoin Cash because it moves hard. So that's going to be Bitcoin Cash. And also, if you get some from these videos, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. We're going to move on. Let's take a look. Link next. Link's at $13.44. Really nice move. This is what we wanted to see defended in the last Link video. Check it out if you guys haven't looked at it yet, from a day or two ago. But for Link, what we want to do is defend this 200 moving average, and that was roughly at about $10.65. So we've done that really nice move, and we're also breaking out of this purple trend line. If we can get a daily candle close up above that, it would roughly be above $13. That could give us a shot all the way up to $14.06. Could be the area, and then it could be up to about $14.68. Those are the main areas we're looking at. But what we're paying attention to is trying to reverse this correction that we've been in right here. We got our first up move. We came down. We set our higher low. We want to go up here, get our higher high, then another higher low, higher high, go back up there eventually and challenge that $20. Above $20, price discovery again. That's when things can get wild. Those are the coins you want to be in once we break out through some of those areas. Whenever you see blue sky breakouts, it can get very exciting. So keep an eye on that. RSI is at 56, so we have plenty of room. Stock right now is at 84 and 62. So not looking too bad here for Link. Getting a nice strong move. If you're here for Link, let me know down low in the comments section. Also, let me know if you're trading Link, are you stacking Link, long-term investing. Let me know down low. I'd love to hear it. There you go. We got Bitcoin Cash almost to that 400, guys. That's something else. Good to see. All right, let's take a look at ADA. ADA's made a really nice move as well. Main area we want to hold as support in the longer term sense here on the 1 day for ADA. We'd want to stay up above 15 cents. If we can stay and hold up above 15 cents, the next area would be about that 17 cents. 17.5 cents is going to be our support area. So those are the main two I'd look at if we do start to have a downside break. I'm not saying we're going to. I'm just saying those are the support areas. I would put alerts and alarms there because that could present good buying opportunities for you down the road. Not financial advice. But this here, if we can start getting candle closes today up above 18.5 cents, that really could open the door for us well up above 20 cents. You can see the nice thing about ADA here, heavy volume's been coming in, and that's what you want to see with the uptrend. As you're continuously moving in the uptrend, you want the volume to expand. RSI is not an overbought condition where it's 65. That's healthy when you're in an uptrend. So, this one's looking pretty decent here. We'll just have to see if we continue to keep those higher lows coming in. So that's going to be ADA. Next one, let's take a look at Tezos. And if you're here for Tezos, let me know down low. So Tezos, we're getting some above average volume. That's what we want. Stock and the RSI looking decent here at 50, and then we're at 73 and 62, pointing up on a little heavier volume. Main area of support, we want to hold 188. It's going to be the spot. What we need to get back up above, in my opinion, is this 200 moving average. We're way behind some of the other altcoins right now. So we're going to see, this is one that, a lot of people in China, all over the world here have been accumulating Tezos. So it's really built this big base at the bottom here. So once it gets moving, guys, I think this is one that really could be explosive down the road in the altcoin cycle, and people may be sleeping on it a little bit, and it's behind many other coins. I mean, if you take a look at Litecoin and see how far it is up above that 200 moving average, you look at Tezos and you see how far below we are, sitting at about $2.12 here. And this is one, if we can ever get past that $4.50, we'd have some of that price discovery as well, really big breakouts. So I'm keeping an eye on Tezos down the road. That's something I'm looking at. Bitcoin right now at 33,700. I mean, that's looking good. And then we have AAVEU looking at $89, Yuma at $8.42, ZIL at 06. Zcash got beat up a little bit from the exchanges and all the stuff that's going on with that, guys, about how they're delisting some of the privacy coins, which I think is a bunch of crap, in my opinion, because I think privacy in this space is why people come to this space, the decentralized aspect. So I don't like when the centralized figures start getting involved with that. But we're just going to have to wait and see. Coinbase Pro is still allowing it to trade and everything. But guys, that's what I want to bring to you today. I hope you enjoyed this. God bless each and every one of you. Have a wonderful Sunday. Take care.